Accessing the gas tank door of your car can vary depending on the model, but generally, it involves a few key steps. First, ensure the car is turned off and the doors are unlocked. Many vehicles have a fuel release lever located near the bottom of the driver's seat or a button on the driver's side door. Simply engage either to unlock the gas tank door. If there's no lever or button, pushing directly on the gas tank door so that it gently presses inward might unlock it. Once you've opened the gas tank, turn the fuel cap counterclockwise to remove it for easy access to fill up your tank. After refueling, remember to securely close the gas cap and gas tank door. If the gas tank door is stuck, you may need to access the release mechanism from the trunk or consult a mechanic for repairs, especially if a faulty release lever or blown fuse is the cause.